Hi guys, welcome to Take Off Bro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to hide a page on Wix. So let's go to Wix editor page. Now you have to click on this pages and menu. In pages and menu, you will find here site menu. You can see all of your pages and sub menu and menu all over here. Now if you want to hide a page like this, contact us. I'm gonna hide this contact us right now. You can see here contact us. This will be hidden. You can see. Right click on this and you'll find here hide from menu. Click on hide from menu and you can see that contact us has been hidden. Now you can, if you want to unhide this one, you have to click on this again three dot and you'll find here show in menu. Click on show in menu and you can see the contact us has been showing here again. So this is how you can hide and unhide a page or a menu in Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.